آج کی اس کانفرنس کے میزبان ڈاکٹر شہباز احمد چشتی ایک اسلامک سینٹر کو بھی چلاتے ہیں، ایک دینی تعلیمی ادارہ جو حفظ ناظرہ اور عالم دین کو تعلیم دیتا ہے۔ آپ نے کس طرح کے اسٹوڈنٹ تیار کیے، یہ ہمیں اس کا کئی مرتبہ تجربہ ہوا۔ آج پھر ہم دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں اور اس کانفرنس کا احاطہ کرنا چاہتے ہیں کہ یہاں پر امریکہ میں تعلیم حاصل کرنے والے بچے کیا اقبال سے واقف ہیں۔ حضرت علامہ اقبال کی حضرت بلال رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ پہ لکھی ہوئی نظم کا ترجمہ انگریزی میں ضیاء الاسلام اسلامک سینٹر کا ایک طالب علم حسن
الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Allah's name I begin with, who is most compassionate and most merciful. Today the topic of my speech is about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal's poem about Hazrat Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal said, "As the star of your destiny ascended to shine, it lifted and brought you from Abyssinia to Hijaz. This alone made inhabited your desolate house. Better than 1,000 freedoms is your slavery. That threshold, not even for a moment you could leave. In someone's love, all torment should be cheerfully. The oppression befalling in love is not oppression. If there's no torment, there's no pleasure in love. Full of intellection like Salman was your insight. The wine of sight used to increase your thirst. Like lean, you were in search of sight. West was tantalized for the power of sight. Medina was a light for your eyes, so to say. Your longing for sight continued even after witnessing the sight. Your longing for sight continued even after witnessing the sight. The cold heart warmed up, but its breath did not rest even for a moment. Such a lightning struck your impatient soul, that your darkness was scoffing at the Musa's palm. The captured warmth from the flame and struck out on your heart. What a lightning of effulgence that struck on most of your effort. The charm of your longing for the sight was the embodiment of supplication. The continuous sighting of someone was your prayer. Prayer was a subtle pretext for the sight. Happy was the age when Yathrib was his abode. How happy was the time when common was his sight. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.